Alright, so this wig is from Unice hair. I think I got a 16-inch. I believe it's like body wave. It came with, hold on. Came with an edge brush. I think this is a necklace or some earrings. And then it came with some eyelashes. And then, hold on. This is the hair. And I'm gonna leave a link to the hair in the description box below. This is the lace. You guys can see. And it has the 2 combs on the side and then 1 comb at the bottom. And it looked like it has layers from what I'm seeing, because it said it was like a I'm gonna insert a picture of what it shows on the thing, but it said like bouncy curls or something like that. So I think it has layers in it, but I'm gonna wash it, bleach the knots, and then come back to you guys. Alright, you guys, so I already put the ball cap method on, and this is the wig. I tried to curl the curling iron, but I don't know how to use it, so the curls look trash, but we're gonna see. Ooh. Hopefully you guys can see me this way. And there's not really that much space to like cut off extra lace on here, but we'll make do with what we have. See, one side is shorter than the other. If you guys can see. you guys, so this is the final look. As you can see up close, obviously I don't know how to use a curling iron, but it came out decent. I think it's cute, still look good, but I just love it. And I know it took forever for me to do this one baby hair because I didn't know what I was doing, and to do like the little curls, the struggle for me, but I'm still learning. Oh my god. But I hope you guys like it. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think about the hair and like how I styled it. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.